Perth in Western Australia is home to over 2 million people and has 5 suburban rail lines reaching out from the city centre. Suburban trains are run by Transperth, who also run the city's bus and ferry services. Current rolling stock in 2018 are electric multiple units powered by 25 kilovolt AC overhead lines. The A-series e.m.u's, in which there is a first and second generation, are a 2-car set, with 48 sets built between 1991 and 1999. Each set consists of 2 cars classified AEA and AE, both having driver's cabs and powered with 6 195 kilowatt motors, providing a top running speed of 110 kilometers per hour. The 2-car set has a capacity of 400 passengers and can be coupled with others to make 4 and 6-car trains with 800 and 1100 passenger capacity. B-series e.m.u's, in which there are 4 generations, are 3-car sets, with 77 sets built from 2004 and will continue into 2019. Each 3-car set consists of powered A and B cars with driver's cabs, powered by 8 AC traction motors, providing a top running speed of 130 kilometers per hour, and a central T-car, which is an unpowered trailer. The 3-car set has a capacity of 800 passengers and can be coupled with others to make 6, 9 or 12 car sets. However, current station platforms are only able to accommodate up to 6 cars. Australia's freight and long-distance passenger trains run on standard 4-foot, 8.5-inch gauge track, while Perth's suburban trains run on 3-foot, 6-inch gauge track, requiring dual-gauge track on some lines. The central hub for all lines is the Perth station in the city centre. The station has a total of 9 platforms, 2 of which are underground. The station dates back to 1881, with many expansions and renovations occurring over the years. The Fremantle line is part of Perth's first suburban line between Fremantle and Guildford, which opened in 1881. Today, the Fremantle line runs 18.7 kilometres from Perth to Fremantle with 17 stations. The Fremantle line is serviced by A-series rolling stock, in use since electrification in 1991. In 1971, services were suspended based on low passenger counts, but were resumed in 1983 following a change of government. Since 2010, the line's patronage has been around 8 million trips per year. Fremantle line services continue through Perth Station and become the Midland line. The Midland line runs 16 kilometres to Midland with 15 stations. The Midland line is serviced by A-series rolling stock, in use since electrification in 1991. This line features dual-gauge track between East Perth and Midland. East Perth Station is the western terminus of the long-distance Indian Pacific train from Sydney. Since 2010, the line's patronage has been just over 6 million trips per year. The Armadale-Thornlie line runs 30.1 kilometres to Armadale with 20 stations and has a spur line at Beckenham which runs to Thornlie. The Armadale-Thornlie line is serviced by A-series rolling stock in use since electrification in 1991. The Armadale line opened in 1889, with the spur to Thornlie opening in 2005. Since 2010, the line's patronage has been between 7 to 9 million trips per year. The Joondalup line runs 40.7 kilometres to Butler with 13 stations. Construction of the Joondalup line began in 1989 and opened in 1993 with extensions continuing through to today. The line is serviced by B-series rolling stock in use since 2004. Much of the line's route runs in the median strip of the Mitchell Freeway. Since 2010, the line's patronage has been between 15 and 17 million trips per year. The Joondalup line services continue through Perth underground to the Mandurah line. The Mandurah line runs 70.1 kilometres to Mandurah with 12 stations. The line is serviced by B-series rolling stock in use since its opening in 2007. Part of the line runs in the median strip of the Kwinana Freeway. Since 2010, the line's patronage has been between 18 and 21 million trips per year,